Hey, buddies! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a stunning product template and set it as the default for your store. Follow along to give your store a professional and consistent look effortlessly. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Create a product template. From the dashboard, click on the Add New button and choose the product type in the modal box. For additional inspiration and ready-made templates, you can refer to some visually appealing and modern examples by ticking the product box in category. Step 2. Must-have elements in the product template. When designing a product template for your store, there are several essential elements you should include to ensure it is effective in presenting the product information and encouraging conversions. Product title. Clearly display the name of the product to the customer. Product images. Show multiple high-quality images of the product from different angles to help customers better understand what they are. Product price. Display the price of the product clearly. Product description. Provide detailed information about the product's features, benefits, and specifications. Add to cart button. Allow customers to add the product to their shopping cart with ease. Product variants. Provide options for different product variants like size, color, or material. Customer reviews and ratings. Display customer feedback and ratings to build trust and provide social proof. In addition, you can refer to stock availability, shipping information, social sharing buttons, dynamic checkout buttons, breadcrumb navigation, related products, return policy information, and so on. By including these elements, you ensure that your product template provides a comprehensive and user-friendly experience for your customers, ultimately leading to higher engagement and increased sales. Assign product template. You can consider choosing the options for assigning the product template here. Make as default. Specific products. All products in collection. 1. Make as default. Set this template as the default for all products. This means every new product added will automatically use this template unless specified otherwise. You need to click on the drop-down list of the Save button, then choose Assign Setting. A page assignment pop-up is shown. Choose the Make as Default in the drop-down list. Remember to click on Save to complete your work. 2. Specific products. Like Make as Default option, you choose the Specific Products option in the drop-down list, then click on Browse to choose any product you want to that product template. Next, click on the Save button to complete your selection. 3. All products. To apply the product template for a collection, the last option will help you to do that. As the two mentioned options, choose All Products in Collection options in the drop-down list. Then, click on Browse to select a collection you want. Again, click on the drop-down list of the Save button, then choose Save and Publish to launch your product template. If you want to make your template as draft, just click on Save. By following this tutorial, you've learned how to create and set a custom product template as the default in Shopify. This includes designing a product page with essential elements like title, images, price, and description. Assigning and publishing your template enhances user experience and drives conversions, while setting it as the default ensures consistency across your store. Implementing these steps will help you create a professional and attractive online store that meets your business needs and delights your customers. If you need more help with Page with Beae, please contact us via chat.